Victoria. Welcome to the battery shop.
This 2015 Kia Sportage has a 12-volt battery right here under the hood. It's pretty easy to get to, as you can see, but this vehicle has a lot of computers on it. It also has a current sensor on the battery post that we're going to have to be careful with when we replace the battery in a vehicle like this. So we always recommend that before you begin, always check with the vehicle manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to be sure that you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in a vehicle like this. Let's get started.
We are using a memory saver to keep the memories of the computer alive while we replace the battery.
Now, with gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable, and you'll need a 10mm wrench for that. And remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. This is the current sensor. Be very careful that you don't damage that.
Now we loosen the fastener for the positive cable. Now we remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. Now we are removing the battery insulation pack.
The next step is to loosen the fastener for the battery hold-down bracket, and you'll need a 12mm wrench for that. And remove the battery hold-down bracket.
Now we can remove the old battery and properly recycle it.
And install the replacement battery.
Now we can reinstall the battery hold-down bracket. Now we've put back the insulation pad.
Next, reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal, but don't pound these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage. And retighten the fastener to 5 Newton meters.
Now we place back the negative cable over the negative terminal, being careful with the sensor. And retighten the fastener to 5 Newton meters.
If the current sensor has to be replaced for any reason, after it's been installed, shut the vehicle off, be sure all the accessories are off, and let the vehicle sit for 4 hours so the new current sensor can recalibrate. When replacing the battery, be sure you use the same size and type as the original equipment battery. That way the current sensor and the battery management system will work properly.
And now we can remove the memory saver and we're done.